what is this, Bibe? Ano to? Ano to?
Fruits.
Foods. Dahil Nutrition Month today ay ngayong July, let's find out which foods are healthy and which ones are not, okay?
Okay.
Dito mo ilalagay yung healthy.
Yeah.
Oh, dito mo ilalagay yung not healthy. Ano yung food na healthy? What food is healthy? Bigay ka nga ng isa? Healthy food.
Healthy food?
Yes.
This one is healthy.
Oh, anong food mo ngayon? Example ka nga? Kung alam mo?
Yes.
Oh, what?
With carrot and egg and milk and a fish.
Bakit mo sinasabi na? Oh, ang not healthy. Ano yung not healthy?
No, not that.
Okay, sige, hindi nga pa alam. Okay, gagawa natin ha. Oh,
Apple.
apples. Oh,
What is apple?
yes. Oh, dikit mo siya. Dikit mo siya.
No. This is so good.
Maano yan, madikit masyado yung glue. Oh, here.
Okay.
Okay, dito mo yan. Dito.
Oh.
Yes. Yan, para.
Yeah.
Yes. Go, pidikit mo na siya.
Okay.
Ano yung apple? Healthy or not healthy?
Healthy.
Very good. Healthy. Ang arte naman ng healthy mo. Healthy. Yay! Oh,
I
itong...
love healthy too.
Yes. How about itong...
Cheese.
Wait a minute ah. Itong... Chang.
Lollipop.
Oh, healthy or not healthy?
Not healthy.
Very good. Akala mo naman. Pero yan naman ang mga favorite, not healthy. Kinakain niya.
Mama.
Go. Yan.
Okay.
Asan yung lollipop dyan? Very good.
I don't lollipop. Oh, you're gonna break your teeth.
Gonna broke your teeth. Saan galing yun? Pero true. Hindi pwede araw-araw ang lollipop Tapos candy, no. Okay? Pati chocolate, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, how about this?
Milk.
Oh, healthy or not healthy?
Healthy.
Very good. O, asan siya dito?
That.
Very good.
What's
I'll go.
some?
Nutrition Month. July. It's Nutrition Month. You can do it. Go. Healthy or not healthy?
Healthy.
Ang arte ng healthy. Healthy.
Healthy.
Healthy.
Healthy. Is that boba tea?
This is wobble tea. Healthy or not healthy?
Not healthy.
Very good.
What's that?
Not healthy, mami. Kamo no. Stop drinking bubble tea, milk tea. Pero kumakain pa rin umiinom pa rin si mami ng milk tea. No? Kaya, ang laki tuloy ng tiyan, no?
Regular channel.
Laki ng tiyan ni mami.
Here's somewhere the boba tea.
Very good.
Not boba tea.
Yes.
For mommy.
Yes. How about this?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. Ano to? Vegetables or fruits?
Vegetables.
Very good. Healthy or not healthy?
Healthy.
Arte talaga ng healthy.
Be careful.
Nahihirapan ka tuloy sa school. Very good. How about this?
Coke.
Coke. Soda. Nagpa-promote ka ng Coke Okay. Baka naman Coke. Kamo. Kunin niyo ako. Kamo.
Coca-Cola.
Yes. Coca-Cola. Healthy or not healthy?
Not healthy.
Yes. Not healthy. Pag madaming umiinom ng Soda.
Not soda.
Yes.
Not soda.
Soda.
Milk now.
Yes, milk ang inumin para healthy.
Wait, baby Nana.
Yes. How about this?
Fries.
Oh, healthy or not healthy?
Not healthy.
Very good. Alam mo pala bakit yan ang pinapabili mo lagi kay daddy? Not healthy.
Not healthy. It's not my church.
Not healthy.
This one is
Opo.
See that fries.
Rice na.
Fries are healthy.
How about this?
Carrot.
Oh, healthy or not healthy?
Healthy.
Very good. Ano yan? Fruits or vegetables?
Vegetables.
Very good.
Oh.
Gulay.
Gulay.
Gulay yan. Vegetables. Gulay. Ay, clean ko mamaya yan. Very good. How about this?
Is that ice cream?
Yes. Healthy or not healthy?
Not healthy.
Very good.
Is that donut and pizza?
Yes. Unahin mo muna yan.
Wait. It's not dirty anymore.
Yes po. Bukasan yung ice cream. Very good. Oh, how about this?
It's a fish.
Healthy or not healthy?
Healthy.
Very good. Alam niya ng healthy at not healthy, oh.
Not healthy now.
Healthy yan.
Healthy now.
Healthy.
Healthy. Not healthy. Good healthy.
Yes.
There's a fish.
Okay.
And
How about this?
bread.
Yes. Healthy or not healthy?
Healthy.
Yes. Very
I have
good.
peanut butter.
Yes. Lalagyan ng peanut butter. Bread na. Lalagyan ng peanut butter. Ang bread. Lagi mong almusal. Bread. Akin na.
Okay.
Go.
Blue.
Yes. Asan ang bread? Very good.
Yeah,
Baliktad.
peanut butter.
Baliktad. Bread. How about this?
Chicken.
Yes. Healthy or not healthy ang chicken? Fried chicken.
Healthy.
Very good. Pero pag madami, not healthy. Lalo na pag doon sa mga fast food chain, sa mga...
Food.
Yes, yung mga pinabibili mo kay daddy. Not healthy yun.
Not healthy.
Mm-mm.
I cannot hold it.
Oh, wait a minute.
You
Oh.
can hold it.
Wait a minute.
Thanks.
Asan ang chicken dyan? Very good.
This one is chicken fried.
Very
Chicken
good.
fries.
How about this?
Donut.
Oh, healthy or not healthy?
Not healthy.
Very good. Bakit hindi healthy?
Oh, what is this?
Wala yan.
Is that bread? Is that feature ham?
Opo. Bakit not healthy ang donut? Kasi it's so...
Big.
No, it's so sweet.
Says
Sugary.
sugary.
Madami
Not
siyang...
sugary.
Yes, do not eat too much sugary.
Not
Tama ba yun? Sugary? Basta. How about this?
egg.
Yes, healthy or not healthy?
Healthy.
Very
And then I cook it in a
good.
fork.
Yes. I'll go. Tikit muna. Healthy ang egg.
What is this?
Mm.
Is that the ice? Is
Mm.
it my head in there?
Opo. Huwag mo nang pansinin yung nasa likod. Kasi kung saan-saan ko kinuha yung carton niyan.
That one?
Opo. Wasan yung head.
Egg.
Healthy or not healthy?
Not healthy.
Ano?
Healthy.
Healthy.
I
How
love
about
carrot.
this?
pizza?
Healthy or not healthy?
Not healthy.
Very
I
good.
don't like pizza.
I don't like pizza. Dami mong nakakain. Minsan nga isang box.
I want to say it. I want to say it. I want to say it. Plate.
Okay po. Not healthy ang pizza, sabi ni Diana. How about this one?
Cheese? For
Yes.
mouse.
Ano? Sorry, mouse. Anong mouse? Hindi Kinakain niyang cheese. Healthy nga daw yan eh.
That is
Mm-mm.
it.
Depende kung saan ilalagay, no? Na food.
Not finished.
How about this?
Hamburger?
Yes. Healthy or not healthy? Ang
Not
hamburger.
healthy.
Very good. Nakikita mo lang yata yung shadow nila kaya alam mo eh. Dinadaya mo na naman si Mami. Alam mo lang yung shadow kung nasaan eh. Yeah! Finish! Healthy? Not healthy. Happy Nutrition Month. Come on.
Happy everyone.
Eto, i-eat mo Eto, ano na nga, moderate lang Konti-konti lang Okay po. Okay. Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.